Being authentic inside of the workplace allows me to show up and give 110%, right?
When I am able to be myself, I am going to be in my best mindset.
As you begin to be centered in your own core values, bringing your authentic self to work really means sharing those with other people.
For somebody who is maybe not comfortable enough at the beginning, like I was, start small.
Procure sua comunidade de pessoas aliadas. Esse apoio é fundamental para que mudanças possam acontecer.
If you do have a friend already in the company that you feel comfortable, start trying out with that friend. Start trying out with a colleague. Start trying out with your peer.
You can use terminologies like my husband, or my partner, or my boyfriend.
Es una hermandad, también podría decirlo así, es una hermandad entre todos los que somos esta comunidad.
You only have to be respectful of other people's beliefs and continue to educate not only people that you're dealing with, but also yourself.